Bitch.
Oh, what?
I just found some fucking underwear in Elijah's fucking, backpack.
Wait, what?
I may have had a little thing last night. What's good, y'all, man? We back here with another banger video for y'all today, man. And today I'm gonna be pranking the Vaeh. I went and bought her some panties, know what I'm saying? But before I give them to her, I gotta prank her with them, you feel me? I'm finna tell her to come to the car, and basically she gonna find some panties in here, and you know what happens when people do that. So I'm gonna tell her, like, come get my backpack or something. Actually, I'm gonna hide them for y'all, right? I'm probably stick them. Let them hang like that. Let them hang like that or something, you feel me? But y'all been loving our channel. Y'all been enjoying these pranks, y'all. Let's keep them going. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. And let's get right into it. I ain't finna talk too much. Let's get right into the video.
I don't know why he always making stuff. Let me call. What the hell? I forgot what he said to grab. Wait, what did you want me to grab? Oh. Okay. I don't know why you just don't take the whole freaking bag out of here like this shit. Why the fuck he got this thing? What the hell? Whose fucking pouch is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. Them not mine. These are not. My fucking phone. These are not fucking mine. Wait. These are not mine. What the fuck? Bro. These are not. Bro. These are not mine. What the fuck? Bro, I'm fucking. Bro.
Welcome to the USA.
Bro.
Hello?
Bitch.
Oh, what?
I just found some fucking underwear in Elijah's fucking, backpack.
Wait, what? Hold on. You found what in his where?
Some underwear in his backpack.
In his backpack?
Yeah. Who are you by?
I'm literally just came up to my room right now. What the fuck? Are you serious? What did he say? Did you confront him about it?
No, he just told me to come get come get his fucking, I don't know, out of his backpack, and then they just fucking were in there.
What the fuck?
Bitch, I'm fucking crying.
Bitch, are you sure he's like not trying to prank you or something?
No,
his backpack, you know?
I don't know.
What the fuck? What do they look like?
They're just fucking like some.
It's more than one?
No, it's just one, and like I fucking touched it, and now like I just fucking touched my face, and my face is already fucking. I don't know, bitch. I'm fucking shaking. Like I'm.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Like.
Are you home?
No, I'm at his house.
Oh shit.
I don't know what the. I can't like flip this bitch upside down because we at his fucking house, you know?
Yeah. Fuck.
I don't know what the fuck to do, bitch. I need to fucking smoke.
Man, this is a bad time too. Shit. Fuck. Damn, I would say like confront him, but like yeah, that is his grandma's house. Like, damn.
Even if I could, I can't get back in that bitch. You know they got a lock. They got locks on the doors where you have to like press in the numbers. I don't know the codes. Like I would have to fucking call him. And if I fucking call him, I'ma fucking throw him down the fucking stairs. I don't know what to do, bitch.
Fuck, he's so fucking stupid. Like,
bitch, I'm shaking. Like, I was gonna call Blanca, but I'm like, hell no. I don't got time to be hearing her.
yeah, for real.
I don't know what to do.
But what are you
I'm
gonna
finna
do?
leave.
Like,
I'm finna walk home. Fuck this shit. He bogus as a bitch.
do you want me to come get you?
I'm finna fucking go try to get my shit out his fucking house, cause he got my computer and shit.
Just tell him, just say that I'm gonna come get you because I need you to come with me somewhere real quick. Like, or something if you want to avoid arguing and asking him where you're going and why you're leaving.
Alright.
Do you want me to come for real?
I'm finna call you right back. I'm finna fucking call Tony or something.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Okay.
Just let me know. Text me.
Alright. Love it. What the fuck? He fucking dirty as a bitch. Oh God, he trifling. Like how? What is he doing?
Did you grab my stuff? Hello? Did you grab my stuff?
Bro, whose are these? These are not mine. So who are they?
They're yours.
No, they're not. Them are not mine.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They're yours.
No.
They're yours. Stop, they're yours. They're yours. I'm not gonna. Bro, why are you pushing me? Can you get your stuff up off the floor?
Them are not mine.
Get your stuff up off the floor. Stop. They're yours, man. They're yours. How do you not remember what your own stuff looks like? I don't care what she is. That's it. Oh, now you want them. Now you want them. How am I dirty? How am I dirty? How am I? Why are you throwing them? Stop. Stop. They're yours. They're yours. What do you mean they're yours? They're yours. Okay, sit down. I have a confession. Sit down. Sit down. I have. Stop. Sit down.
Whose are they?
I may have had a little thing last night. Why you just kick me? Bro, I said they're yours. But they're not yours. But you can wear them. You can wear them though. No. It was in the car last night, and you know what I'm saying? Things went down. Things. She forgot her belongings. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Ow, ow, ow. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Say sorry.
Oh, you're fucking dirty. You trifling. You've always been trifling. Always will be.
You fell on the stairs. Ah! That's what you getting. Get back over here. Come on, you want to put them on? Where you put them? Y'all, she just left. Did I go too far? I think I said a little too much. Anything I say in this video, do not take it serious. That's not how we work. But I'm finna go stop it because I don't know what she's doing. Where'd she go, man? Babe, the camera died. I promise you the camera died. We had to go up my phone. The camera died. The camera died.
I don't care. I'm leaving. Stop following me, bro.
Why are you leaving? Stop before I drop it. Stop. The camera died. Stop.
That's all.
I got you. I got you.
You made me hit my toe, bro.
What do you mean? You came outside. It's alright because I got you.
Because I'm freaking hot.
I got you. How you feel? How you feel? Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to the U.S. Cellular voice.
Your phone Your phone. Your
That's not my phone. That's when it goes to do not disturb.
Oh my goodness. Her phone Bye, y'all, man. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. She's mad. Ah! Throwing stuff at me. Our camera died mid-video. Make sure y'all like this video. 10K by June 1st. Y'all know the routine. Got it.
You in your shit.
Got it. Move, it's over. Team Elijah, man. Best pranks in the world. Too good. Ow! Why you just kick me? Are you going too far? Stop. Put them little old Crocs on me. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Bogus. I was crying.
You was crying? I'm sorry, babe. Was she for real crying? I guess we'll see. But alright, man. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.